Hi, I'm Chin Tiam from the Kefir King. My wife had some issues with her digestive system. She started to get bloating and difficulty digesting noodles and noodles especially. So I was thinking what can help her, and I remember the kefir that I made, those 10 years ago, and I thought I think I should try that again. And so I went back, found another sauce, and started to make kefir again. And from then on, my wife recovered from her digestive problem, and was very happy. And we shared kefir with our friends and received a lot of positive results, and we got very good feedback. So we continue to make and consume kefir, and now we are the Kefir King. So nowadays we know that kefir is one of the best, milk kefir is one of the best probiotic around. It's natural and it's full of goodness. So that's the story of how kefir came in, benefited us, and how we continue to make kefir a part of our life. For milk kefir, I usually go for the original, the natural milk kefir made from raw unfermented milk that we get fresh from the farm. And this is full of wholesome goodness, and so I enjoyed that. I enjoyed this. And for water kefir, I like the nice, enjoyable taste of mulberry and blueberry. So these are my favorite kefir flavors. I would like to see Kefir King grow and become a strong company that is profitable and able to reach out to as many people as possible, the masses, and give people a chance to enjoy the goodness of kefir and the benefits that they will get for their health and well-being.